Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Motor Match. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this used Audi Q3 Black Edition. This vehicle features a 2.0 TFSI engine pushing out 180 PS. Accompanying this is an S-Tronic automatic transmission delivering power to all four wheels thanks to Audi's four-wheel drive quattro system. This example comes in the Daytona Grey Pearl Effect paint colour, and across the front features a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The Q3 sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels in a multi-spoke design and a black colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window. Helping you park is a set of rear parking sensors. This Q3 also features the electric tailgate option, which adds a touch of luxury to your everyday lifestyle. The boot area consists of a large storage space with a parcel shelf, and for the rear passengers to enjoy there is a 3-seater bench. In the middle of the footwell there is a 12-volt charging point and some heater controls. Up front for driver and front passenger we'll find some S-Line sport seats. All the seats in the vehicle come in a mixture of leather and upholstery combination. In the centre of the dash we'll find an infotainment system. This allows the driver to select a few different menus such as the drive mode, access Bluetooth controls as well as radio stations. The vehicle also comes with navigation. In the rest of the centre console we'll find the heater controls as well as a leather armrest. For the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this used Audi Q3 Black Edition. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.